7614 Crestview Drive. Scoping the sewer line after repair due to a low section that was in the basement. We're scoping from the new outside access. We did have to dig outside to gain the proper slope, and then also in the basement about 20 feet. So we're 43 feet back into the house right here. This is where the line goes to the smaller pipe into 2-inch. And that's just toilet paper that they must have just used the toilet. So we can see here, this is where we connected on to, this is the old pipe, and this is going to be the new pipe. This is in the basement. We're 30 feet from the outside. And as you can see, there is no more standing water. Yeah, they just used the bathroom. And coming onto the outside pipe here, that's the green SDR 35. This is all new pipe also. And then coming up the clean out. So as you can see that the belly is fixed. No more standing water underneath the house. Here's our outside access. We just got to fill up some more dirt here. And here's the house. So sewer line has been repaired, tested, and inspected, and is flowing well at this time with no more low section underneath the house.